Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do my Japanese candy kit and go over a few products that I also got in, this bag. So the window is open and birds are happy, so please excuse the noise. So I have with me a napkin, a pair of scissors, and of course water in case I need it. I know I need water, but I'm not sure about the rest of the stuff. So I'm just going to open this up now. Excuse me. So here's the candy kit that I got, and I have no idea what it says, but there are instructions on the back. And I also have a squishy and a little marshmallow with chocolate filling, and so yeah, these things. So that's all that I got, and it's at Pop Cult if you want to know where I got it from. So now let's get right into this. So here's what the package looks like on the outside, if you're wondering what it looks like in more detail. And it was $6, a little pricey actually. And here is the back if you want to know. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start opening it. Yes. Alright, so just opening this now. It's my very first candy kit. Okay, so my camera just happened to run out of space that very moment. So anyways, back to the video. So the first thing I see is this packet with this like sand-like powder in it. And then I have this blue packet, and it's kind of, I don't know, jelly-like. A little interruption there. So anyways, here's this, and I kind of like that smiley right there. Anyways, and then I have these interesting looking disc-like things. So now it says to put this packet into here, and then this packet into here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. If that's okay. It smells good. It smells like crushed graham crackers actually. Okay. And then we have this packet, and it's just kind of like a squished. It feels funny. Okay. We're gonna open this up and pour this. So I think this is chocolate. Okay, I think I got enough out of there. It smells like chocolate, so it's chocolate. Alright, next it says to put 5 drops of water on there. So I think you need like a dropper to do this. So I do, oh wait, I just found this fork thing. Yeah, the window's open. Okay, so yeah, this is like this stuff. So I'm just gonna go find like something to put water in this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to just use a spoon because we didn't have anything else. So if you have a dropper, then great, but I'm just gonna wing it. So just gonna start with that and see how that goes. So, I think I forgot to mention that this is a s'mores kit. Okay, this definitely needs more water. I like dehydrated marshmallows. Okay. This is not coming together very well. It's like really sticky and marshmallow-like. Don't want to pour the entire thing there. The water doesn't really spread much. Okay, I'm just like separate all of these. So super sticky and yeah, really sticky. It really should have given you like a dropper to like drop water on, but there wasn't one, so this is like really dysfunctional. So my hands are really sticky now, but I'm just gonna like drown my marshmallows in water since this is just not working. Okay, I think that's enough water. So, yeah, this stuff is really weird, of course. Yeah, so I think that's good enough. I'm not gonna fret over it. Okay, so, moment of truth. I'm really scared to see what this tastes like. I'm just gonna try my soggiest marshmallow. This really sticks together. Talk about sticky. I'm just gonna pick one up. It's like the stickiest mess in history. But you know what? This is a new experiment, and experiments don't always go well. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this more water on this. This whole thing really sticky. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this mess here, stick it on, if that's even possible. Dip it in some chocolate. And some of this. I'm so scared. Okay, so yeah, it smells good. Okay, so I am going to like cut this up. Oh, that's really crumbly, and just try a little bit. So I'm just gonna use it my fingers. It's kind of a bad idea, but whatever. Take a tiny piece of marshmallow. Dip it in lots of chocolate. Okay, here it goes. Okay. That can taste especially good. So I'm kind of picky, but so the chocolate tastes pretty good. This is kind of whatever. The marshmallow has like no flavor at all. It's like eating a marshmallow, no flavor. And so that's my personal opinion about this. It almost has like a bitter taste to it. It's a chocolate that has the bitter taste. Anyways, so that's my input on that. I mean, I think the best tasting thing is the chocolate, but that's just my personal opinion. So, yeah. So, on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 really bad, and 10, this is really good. I rated about a, I don't know, 4. It's not that great. The only thing I like about it is the chocolate, but yeah. This is just a mess. It's really messy. They don't give you a dropper. It's interesting. So that's what I think of this interesting candy kit. So, yeah. So that is the candy kit. I mean, I'm kind of a picky eater, so you might like this. But see, this, I don't know. I only recommend this kit if you have a dropper, but I follow the instructions and everything, although I'm going to keep the package just because. Anyway, so that's that. Put that aside. Okay. Okay. Drink some of that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, so I seriously couldn't get the marshmallow off my hands, but we're going to move on. Okay, so I'm going to try this Hello Kitty marshmallow next, and as chocolate filling, and this is like so much fun to squish. I don't know why. Okay, so yeah, I finally got my camera to focus after like 7 or 8 times. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try this, and it says that it is made in the USA, which it's a product of Japan, so I don't know. So I'm just gonna try this. Okay. I just got this marshmallow like a few months ago, so okay. Okay, I got the marshmallow out of the package. This is what it looks like. It's really squishy. So I'm going to try this marshmallow here. It tastes pretty good. I like it. Okay, so it's a chocolate filling and then marshmallow around it, of course. And this is a free sample, so I don't know where you can get these, but yeah, it tastes really good. Okay, enough sampling for right now. Yeah, so this is pretty good. I rate this, I think I rated it a 9 actually. Don't ask me why, but it rated a 9, okay. Alright, I have chocolate right here, so I'm just going to like, okay. So now I'm going to review my squishy, and I still have marshmallow in my hands, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm going to open this now. It's like my very first squishy. $3.99 over there. This is the very last one, so. So look at this. It's like actual real sprinkles, but they're not. Yeah, it's really squishy. Okay. I mean, they feel like real squishies, but they're not. So, yeah, this is in pretty good condition. I wasn't a real fan of the color, but it's like the only one they had left, so I got it. It's like my first squishy anyways. So, yeah, it's like so much fun. It's like squishing a marshmallow. Okay, and it has this thing and this very descriptor there. And there's a bunch of Japanese writing on it, or I don't know what it even is. I think it's Japanese, but I can't read it. So that's the package, and this is the product. So that is my very first squishy. So here are all the things from today's goodies or whatever video. And I think I like this the best for taste. The package for just because it's a package, and I like this just because. That doesn't make any sense, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! So, I have this Hello Kitty marshmallow with the chocolate inside, and on the back it says, yeah, well, that's really a focus. Okay, I can't remember, it's not focusing today. Okay, so, I just washed my hand for the 7,000,000th time today, which probably isn't true, but okay, I'm really sorry, but my camera will just not focus. Okay, I have chocolate all over my hand. Moving on. Okay, I have a napkin up here. Okay, gross. Okay, I'm just gonna go wash my hands again. This was a really bad idea. Yeah, so don't do this on a piece of paper because then you gotta wash it and then you ruin it.